now that the hurricane has come on shore, our primary concern remains dramatic flooding. According to information that I was provided, there's been about 20 inches of rain in the Corpus Christi area, about 16 inches of rain in the Houston area, and our biggest concern is the possibility of between 20 and 30 more inches of rain in areas ranging from Corpus Christi over to Houston. I have issued a disaster declaration that originally included 30 counties, and this is a state disaster declaration, and we have now added 20 more counties. I requested a federal disaster declaration that the President granted last night. This is incredibly important and extremely fast. What the presidential proclamation about our disaster declaration does is it immediately triggers the implementation of FEMA and FEMA's assistance for individuals as well as cities and counties, for all of us to begin the rebuilding process as quickly as possible.